All right, good morning, everybody. All right, let me tell you what's going on this morning so far. So, we have a couple things going on. First, we are along a GRRR, by GRRR here at the yellow line. We did hit target number 1, but I am trying to see if we can get, I actually have several other targets sitting up here. Let me see if I can minimize this a little bit. Yeah, I've got 2, 3 other targets sitting up there much higher. So, holding on the GRRR, hopefully we can make it to the opening bell. FRO, I also bought. FRO, trying to get up the target. FRO a little thinner, but volume's beginning to pick up. So, a little thin on FRO. I understand the volume's pretty light. We'll see if we can't pull something out of the FRO. The other thing I have on this morning is I went ahead and got out of my gold from yesterday. Made a little bit of money on that long gold. Now we are along the E-mini S&P. This is going to be an HF1 buy on the E-mini S&P. So the E-mini S&P is a buy. And this is what we call an HF1. HF1 buying on the E-mini. Trying to get up to 44.59.75. Looking at the mini NASDAQ. Let's take a look. Mini NASDAQ. Not seeing anything on the mini NASDAQ. Mini Russell, not seeing anything yet on the mini Russell. Small Dow's up 118. Already took profit on gold this morning. Gold's up. Came in long from last night or yesterday. Natural gas, another one that I like to watch. Not seeing anything on natural gas. And nothing on the crude oil. Nothing on the crude oil. Thank you, Glenn. I appreciate that. I'm glad. Maybe this new streaming software is going to work better for us. Video quality is a little light, but see if we can fix that. All right, so taking a look at my JDST. Not seeing any opportunities in JDST. Been trading JDST for quite a while. Got burnt on it yesterday, and I don't see any opportunities today. So staying away from JDST. Only 2 trades I have on right now are GRRR and FRO. Volume really light on FRO. I'm going to keep an eye on this FRO. Light position on FRO. I'm thinking I should be able to get up to at least 55. 55. Just need a little bit more interest in here. All right, so what do we have here? So we have a couple things. Both of these are going to be HF1s, FROs and HF1, GRRRs and HF1 buy. AFRM's also on our radar this morning. Don't see any opportunities there yet unless we can get a pullback. I like the looks of the charts on AFRM. We have good buying, nice buying coming in here. Of course, you get up to 80. Of course, that's a 30-cent move. So I'm not too concerned about buying AFRM, but I don't want to buy it yet. I'd like to see this thing pull back a little bit before I jumped into AFRM. But I don't think we're going to run into too much selling until we get up to 1580, and by the time that we get up there, some of that may have already been, that may lighten up a little bit. So definitely want to keep an eye on AFRM. Volume, about 400,000. Let's look at WLF was another one. No opportunities on there. I think that looks really good to move higher. Let's take a look at this. Volume still a little bit light. 3-cent spread, 157,000. That's pretty light. So I'm going to watch for maybe a pullback on that. GDTC. I have to see that firm up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know about that GDTC. Not too excited about that one. Anyway, volume's really good. Over 5 mil right now. Let's see what else we have. BYND. Too big a spread, volume's too light. Let's look at ANI. You can see ANI popped up on the radar. This window you see over here on the left-hand side, these are the stocks that are making new highs. Anything under $20, it's making new highs for the day. It's gonna pop up on this radar. AHI, sorry, AHI. Come on. One of these days I'll learn how to type. AHI. Too big a spread, volume's too light, so no go on that. Man, I like ZIM. I like the charts. Volume's just way, way, way too light. Alright, WLF. Alright, I was carrying RIOT overnight that I mentioned last night in our update. I got out of RIOT. I also was carrying MOB. Got out of MOB. Here's RIOT. Got out of RIOT. Looks like RIOT could go up again. Real tempted to jump back in the RIOT. GRRR once again. Still long GRRR. Yeah, I'm not liking that. I'm just gonna take GDTC off my radar. Just not seeing it there. All right. All right, so we're still along the E-mini S&P. Let's check on our E-mini S&P. Love trading these indices, particularly. All right, there's our E-mini S&P. Still along here at the yellow line. Yellow lines are going to be my entries. If I'm not in, it's going to be a potential entry. But I am in the E-mini S&P. Looking for a 44.59.75 target. We do have the small Dow is up 118. All the other indices are up. The only one I had a buy on this morning, though, was on the E-mini S&P. Nothing else there. Nothing on crude, nothing on natural gas, nothing on gold. I'm going to go ahead and put a limit in to get out of that 44.59.75. All right, so I have a resting order to get out up here at 44.59.75. All right. Beyond Me, BYND. And I sure like that. Let me look at this ZIM. I'm really getting tempted on ZIM. but it's not moving. I like to look at the charts. I like to see what. I like to look at the book here, and it looks good. I mean, I just could see a nice pop up to 304, but the volume is just too thin. Spread. It's only a penny spread. Nah, I'm too concerned about the volume. Just gonna let that go. I am tempted to get into ZIM, but keep an eye on it though, just for fun. Let's see. Could see his yeah, we could see it move up to $13. I think ZIM is gonna hit at least 13, but I'm not willing to get into it. Particularly if you wanted to add size, it may be difficult. Okay, so still quite an FRO. I am still long FRO. Kind of just very quiet. Still long GRRR, very quiet. Hoping we'll get a little morning pop after the opening bell. All right, Glenn, you have anything you want me to look at this morning? I won't touch, TAOP. I don't want to touch TAOP. I know the volume's good, but it's under $1. Really don't like to trade stocks under $1. Yeah. I like it. I like the looks of it. I just don't want to touch it. Yeah, I was in MOB, got out this morning. could end up doing something. Could pop again. We'll watch it. I'll keep it on the radar. All right, out of RIOT. Yeah, and I took side about RIOT. Glad I got out of that. Okay, CING. Mm-mm. Let's see what GRRR is doing. I'm going to add a little bit down here on GRRR. Still long GRRR. Still long FRO. So we have about 5 minutes here before the opening bell. If anybody has anything they want me, it's pretty quiet right now. If anybody has anything they want me to look at, let me know. Glenn, you want to take a look at your coin? We haven't looked at coin in a while. Let's look at your coin. Looks like coin's coming down. I see an 80.08. See coin coming down to at least 80.08. Also see a 79.95. So it looks like your coin may be pulling back a little bit here. So yeah, you got a little bit of buying down here around 80, but yeah, definitely I think it's going to go down to at least 80, a little bit lower. I'm going to see ING. TAOP is coming up to that dollar mark. It's above a dollar. All right, so we're coming up here to the opening bell. We're going to stop the live broadcast here on YouTube. We'll continue on in our Discord channel. Once again, if you'd like more information, please visit my website, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. Plenty of educational videos. Once again, this approach, same one I've been using for the last 35 years, been trading for 40. Very simple, just combination of several of my price patterns and also Einstein, which gives me these targets, price targets, and it's a very effective approach, but it's simplistic, so it's an easy process to learn. And it certainly puts the odds in my favor. So anyhow, that's going to wrap it up. I will hope to see everybody first thing tomorrow morning. I want to get here as the opening bell is opening up.